What up, team? Welcome to another HubSpot tips and tricks. Hey, what I want to show you today is how easy it is for Gmail or your G Suite to work with HubSpot. I personally use Gmail. I love it for business. I just want to show you how easy it is. And I'm doing this because I've been leading several trainings and people are blown away. They're like, hey, how can I do X, Y, Z inside of my email? Like, it is so easy to do. Let me show you. So first, I'm going to start with an example. I'm talking to my friend Zoom here, and I want Zoom to be a contact directly into the CRM and add. I don't want to have to go to HubSpot and create it. I just want to create it straight in my email platform. It's as easy as this. It is if you have your HubSpot downloaded on your little right side of your screen, you can click HubSpot and you'll see something that says add to HubSpot. So I can add to HubSpot. And in this, it's going to auto-populate. Clearly, there's not a first name or a last name, but it will auto-populate some information pulling and you can create that contact. Once you create that contact, it's going to add it directly to your CRM. So I can open this up and we can go to the CRM. Hold on a second, but it'll also auto-populate Zoom. See, it took the URL and created the company and associated it automatically. Now, from here, when I'm sending emails, I can also add deals, say a deal, that I'm going to add a deal to the contact. I can even add tasks and I can see if there's been any timelines when they've, like what has happened with the contact. You can do that all directly from here. If I push open in contact, it will bring me straight to that contact inside of HubSpot, where if I want to do something else, say write a note and tag a colleague, you can do that super easy. I mean, this is fundamentally, it'll let you to work in your email and then only go to HubSpot when you need to for specific actions and optimize your workflow. Let me show you something else. If I am replying and I want to reply to it, is you'll see once you have this looked is you can take templates that you have and you made, you can insert templates directly from your email. So easy. Look, I'm going to do this real quick for you to see. I have templates I've downloaded. Let's say I'm doing a follow-up. I'm going to do the recap email. It will automatically push this template that I have. You can also have your snippets come. So I have a snippet that I call the one-liner, hashtag one. Let's do snippets. One-liner. Boom. There it is. It's already there. Next, and this is even just like this is also pretty darn cool, is when I do this send, I can create a follow-up task. And you can create a task here. But say you're sending the email, like, oh yeah, I want to send a follow-up task. You can create your task 1 day, 3 days, and you can create a custom one where you click and say, what is the task name? What due date do you want it to be? What time? So you can do all of that from your email without leaving. That is pretty darn cool. I love the integration between HubSpot and Gmail. It's just so simple. Here's another thing you can do. First paragraph. Let's say I'm going to make this line a meeting. I'm requesting a meeting. I'm going to do a short sync. I now have quickly made a link to my calendar. Say it's not already there. And it goes straight to my calendar when I send the email. Okay, guys, that's a short, quick tips and trick for HubSpot. Hope you enjoyed. Have any questions, send them my way. And as always, keep doing it big and stay awesome. Adios, team.